She's very busy, so that's why I understand Sergio that she can't, I'm the one, because if I did not continue live stream to her account going to demonetize. So, very sad because she had already $43. If she can reach the $100, Sergio, she can't receive a salary again. Then she needs to keep watch hours. So that's why that if I'm doing live stream, Sergio, I need to also to her phone. I advise don't stop live streaming because very sad your $43 earning, if your account is demonetized you can't get the $43. Very sad. So I said to Lisel, I take